Hello and welcome to Best of Tutorials. My name is Amar, and in today's video I would like to show you a trick to fix slow starting applications related to Adobe, especially Adobe Premiere. Now, as you see here in this screen, I have a very powerful machine. For example, my CPU is an Intel i9 9900K CPU. Currently it's not overclocked. I sometimes do overclock it. As you see, my RAM, I have 8 gig used out of 64 gig of RAM, and I do use it's called RAM to disk application for my video surveillance system. I'll talk about that in another video. And my main drive, which is the C drive here, is actually a RAID 10 solid state drives. So I do have 4 1 terabyte solid state drives as a RAID 10, and I do have a GTX 1070 Intel GeForce NVIDIA, which is 8 gig of memory for my video card. It's a very powerful machine, but if you notice here, when I open Adobe Premiere, for example, it will do this, and basically it will hang here for a while, and I don't see anything wrong, like I don't see anything overloading or anything, and it just stays like that. Sometimes it takes 15 minutes. So I'll close it. I'll show you how to fix it. I looked at this problem before, and there was another fix, especially for Mac users, to delete some files related to the cache, so you have to build them again. But this unfortunately did not work for me, so I was trying and I was playing around and I found this one working. Here's what you need to do. So click Start and go to the same software. Instead of left click and opening it, right click on it, go More, and then do Run as Administrator. I'll do that here, and I'll hit Yes. And you see now it's loading faster and it's done. It's already there. So here it is again, or this one, Adobe Premiere Rush. Again, it will load and it takes forever, and it's not responding. As you see, these black corners show up. I'll exit here. And I'll do the same thing. Adobe Premiere, right click, More, Run as Administrator, hit Yes. And it's loaded. Okay, so if you want to make this work, this work always happen, the trick to do that is to go again to the software you're trying to run. Let's say this, in my case, Adobe Premiere. Right click, go More, and then instead of running it, we'll just go Open File Location. We'll open this for you. What you need to do here is to right click, go Properties, and then go to Compatibility, and we need to tick this option here. It says Run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply, hit OK. See what happens now when we open it. It comes up with this, and you just hit Yes. Now this can be also changed from your control panel to not show up, and it's already working and we are in. That's it. So I hope this video was informative. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel to get notified when we post another video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.